The chassis is completely rotted, and look at these tires. It's barely salvageable.
This is a write-off.
We'd spend a fortune just on the rust repair.
This is far worse than the photos suggested. Look at the chassis rust.
It's completely seized. I don't think we can salvage the engine.
All right, push! Heave! Come on, keep it moving. Little more, easy now.
Clear on the driver's side.
Stop the winch. This is gonna take a while. Look at that rust.
Yeah, the engine bay is completely seized.
We'll start with the chassis tomorrow.
The rust on the frame is extensive, and the tires are completely shot.
We're looking at a full restoration, maybe a new chassis entirely.
The corrosion around this wheel well is extensive.
Indeed, and the windshield is completely gone. We are looking at a total rebuild here.
Look at this rust, Maria. It goes deep.
Dios mío, this is gonna take weeks. We need to order parts from Mexico.
Look at the corrosion here. It's completely eaten through the fender.
Yes, and the structural integrity is compromised. This will be a massive undertaking.
Okay, I've got it loose. Ready to take it? Yeah, bring it out slowly. Let's get this over to the bench. Are you done mixing that batch yet?
Almost, just need a little more hardener.
So this is the 85 Transit we were telling you about.
Yeah, look at the state of this chassis leg. It's completely gone.
Look at the corrosion around the fuel lines. It's extensive.
Yes, and the turbo is completely seized. We are looking at a total rebuild.
Right, we'll need to order specialized parts.
Check the penetration right here.
It's a clean bead, but I'm worried about the heat-affected zone on this old steel.
The flow looks perfect here, minimal orange peel.
Agreed. The bake cycle was spot on. Check it off.
Easy now, just a little lower on your side. How's that look? How's that look? Perfect. Hold it right there.